Hey folks, Rob coming to you live from Winterfest 2012 in Tacoma, Washington. That said, let's venture out here and see where we're at. We got 8.5 inches since 2 a.m. and I'm about ready to climb in the FJ Cruiser and go fetch my son. He worked graveyard shift here at this local Safeway, and I'm gonna follow my ass. Be right back, folks. Okay, we're going out in the storm. Got 8.5 inches of snow. Gonna make a short trip up to the local Safeway and retrieve my son. I'll be shooting some video of this hill today with cars slunk-careening down and getting all sloppy on the neighbors' cars. This guy really should be moving this van. This is something else. We haven't had snow like this for quite some time. So much for that global warming, huh? Okay. Makes you want to run in and grab an aerosol can and start spraying into the ozone, right? Have to make me a snowman that resembles Al Gore. We're heading up Pearl Street, heading south. Got this guy up ahead of here. He's been getting doing some Brodies. Apparently he doesn't get it. They'll be pulling him out of the side of somebody's car. Oh, forgot to pay my insurance. We're coming up on the Highway 16 overpass. Now we're turning up on 6th Avenue. Somewhere there's a driveway here. A lot of these guys aren't going to get very far. Here we've got a semi that couldn't make it up in there, so they're going to back him out. What a mess. He's got chains on too. up this hill here. They're stuck. These side roads are really bad. Let's do the hill. Let's do the big nasty. There, we made it.